before you're an owner, to become one someday, act like one now.
Yeah.
It's your money. Think about it as your money.
Our job is to make sure you can just run your restaurant, and so when bad things occur, you don't miss a beat. You got customers you got to take care of. You got folks you have to train. You got food orders that are coming in. You got bills to pay. We don't want you to be disruptive. And there's 3 points that we kind of look at from a marketing standpoint, especially for restaurants, that we really want to talk and get into. 0 is greater than 72. Now, we all know that's really not true, but in our case, in the world of insurance protection, it actually is. When something happens to your business and it's disruptive and you have to shut down, other insurance companies are going to require that 72 hours must pass before you can recover your lost revenue. That's ridiculous. I mean, from the moment you start losing revenue, isn't it important that you have the ability to recover that? So while many other insurance companies require 72 hours to pass before you can collect your loss of revenue, our company, Society, and partners with the WRA and many restaurants will pay you from the moment you have that particular business shutdown. When you talk about insurance policies, well, what they really are contracts. It's a contract between you, the business, and between us. And it's kind of as we call it, a promise to pay. We believe that it's better not to have a long, lengthy contract. Many companies do because they write in a lot of exclusions and conditions and things that can, the fine print will kind of get you. Our forms are much smaller, they're very simple, and we basically say we want to be there to cover you. The example we use is when you have outdoor property, you have patio equipment, things outdoors. A lot of times now restaurants and even bars that we insure have large seating areas. Many companies don't cover the things that most commonly cause loss to those items, like wind or theft or vandalism. It doesn't really make a lot of sense. So we don't have those restrictions in our forms. We have storms here that come and blow through. Your restaurant loses power. Again, it's important that you be able to recover your revenue from the moment it goes down. Now, some of our other friends in the insurance industry, their forms, their contract will say, well, we don't cover power interruption to your restaurant if it's caused by an overhead power line being disconnected. Well, how else does power go out during a storm? It's one of those really common sense things that we try to think about on our end when we're dealing with restaurateurs and make sure that you're covered for those bad things that may occur.